that says that why are SIPs being stopped, because somewhere down the line we want to manage it and we want quick results. So in one of your articles you said that 75% of the SIPs are being stopped. I have two questions. One is, I'm curious that have you ever done that before joining the industry? And
Stopping SIP?
yeah, and the next question would be, why does this generally happen? Does that happen because a wrong kind of product is sold or something? Because you earlier also mentioned that we should be risk aware, and sometimes being not risk aware puts you, or you might enter into a product which is not for you. So like, I just want to understand what is the scenario here.
So coming to your first question कि whether I have stopped my SIP, I never stopped my SIP. मैंने जो भी SIPs, I started my SIP when I was working with Infosys, very small amount. उस टाइम पैसे थे भी नहीं and I had to support the family. So but जो भी start की थी मैंने, मेरी चलती रही जब तक वो स्कीम ने लेना बंद नहीं कर दिया था. I think it went for a very long period. I never checked it honestly, if you ask me. So that behavior, I would say that I'm sorted. Coming to why this SIP stoppage ratio is so high nowadays, reason because you're not emotionally connected to your SIP. I have seen, because जब आप direct आप करते हो on the platform, आपको access है, but access is not equal to financial knowledge, which is again not equal to your emotional connect with your goals.
Right.
सो आप देखोगे वाई, आप सोचिए डायरेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म में इतनी स्टॉपेजेस होती हैं, आपके साथ तो नहीं होती.
Right.
वाई? बिकॉज यू डू इट इन सच अ ब्यूटिफुल वे. आप गोल प्लानिंग करते हो, आप उसकी इच्छाओं को समझते हो एंड देन आपकी उसकी SIP करवाते हो. आई थिंक दैट गैप इज बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव दैट ट्रस्टेड एडवाइजर who can understands your needs and accordingly design your SIPs. वहाँ पे आपके पास पैसा है, आपने सुना कि SIPs अच्छी होती है और आपने SIP कर डाली.
Yeah, just for the sake of it.
Sake of it, without even understanding that compounding works only after from the 6th and 7th year, and more so after 10-15 years.
Correct.
आपने वो समझाते.
Right, right.
So I think that emotional connect which is missing on the platform technology में.
So that right kind of goal planning, that attachment to every SIP that you do has to be there in order to prolong the SIPs. So, ma'am, one more thing that I wanted to ask you is that since we are clouded by the platforms of AI coming in, you have a lot of AI platforms for financial analysis, for investment research, for asset allocation. So, we also have robo advisors, right, for automated asset allocation of a particular client in terms of personal finance. So, where do you see the role of human insight coming into it, or do you see distributors getting replaced by robo advisors and algorithmic traders?
Not really. हमें देखना चाहिए बाहर क्या हो रहा है. आप बाहर भी चेक करोगे, वहाँ के जो RIAs है, बिकॉज US में इट्स मोस्टली RIAs, सो दे यूज टेक्नोलॉजी, बट द एंटायर बिहेवियर पैटर्न ले लो, गोल प्लानिंग ले लो, एसेट एलोकेशन ले लो, इज डन बाय द एडवाइजर. CFPs एंड क्या क्या कर करके वो लोग आते हैं, राइट? CFPs. आई स्टडीड फ्यू ऑफ द एडवाइजर्स देयर, हाईली क्वालिफाइड. बट उसके बाद भी आर दे ओनली डिपेंड ऑन द रोबो प्लेटफॉर्म? नो, बिकॉज क्या होता है ना, AI में भी AI हैज लॉट ऑफ, आई वुड से, फ्लॉ, बिकॉज जो डेटा फीड हो रहा है उसी को एनालाइज करता है.
Correct,
If
right,
you are
right.
feeding my profile, but your profile is different, no? Each
Correct.
individual is different. Each life stage is different. So can, as an in technology expert, I mimic those kind of behavior patterns? I cannot. So you must use. We all use technology in our lives. So हमें, जैसे आप भी बहुत यूज करते हो, right?
Of
So हमें
course.
टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करनी चाहिए. But you cannot say कि by technology only you can create wealth. You definitely cannot.
Right. So you don't see us distributors getting replaced by.
Not चिल्ला चिल्ला के मैं बोलती रहती हूँ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, व्हाई आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग सो मच इन दिस कम्युनिटी, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस आई जेन्युइनली फील द क्लाइंट हैंड होल्डिंग कैन ओनली हैपन व्हेन अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर इज अराउंड. एंड वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ इंडिया. यहाँ पे भले डिजिटल पेनिट्रेशन कितनी भी हो, एज आई सेड, डिजिटल पेनिट्रेशन इज नॉट इक्वल टू फाइनेंशियल नॉलेज. नंबर वन. नंबर टू, most of us are still busy in doing or growing their businesses or doing their jobs. सो उस टाइम पे अपने को क्यों चौधरी बनना है यार? क्यों ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस रखना है हमको?
Correct.
I'll go and take help of an advisor, distributor who has done it for thousands of clients. You're doing it for third generation now. Doing it for thousands of clients, right?
Yeah. Right. So very well explained, ma'am.